Are you interested in print on demand business model? Or are you actually interested in creating a simple design for a t-shirt? Then this video is actually for you, as I'm going to be walking you through how to do just that. And stick on with me as we dive right into this video right now. Now, if you're not familiar with this platform right now called Placeit.net, there's an amazing platform that you can use for creating cool and amazing designs right now. And your designs can actually be for mockups, for designing cool and amazing stuffs like apparels and prints, gaming, accessories, music and podcasts, and social media. You could also go on to utilizing this for logo creation on any niche of your choice, also video creation, gaming, and actually learn more cool details about that right now. Now, this is a cool platform. As you can see, at Easter is around the corner. They're actually posting stuff about Easter templates are hatching. Explore the features or the festive collection. Now you can keep on scrolling through and you'll be able to see a lot of already made templates that you can just simply utilize. As you can see, there are thousands of free templates just for you. The easiest way to create professional designs for free, you need to just simply choose from their ever-changing library of free mockups and design your video and logos right now. That's absolutely amazing. You can just simply leverage the largest collection of mockups on the internet, create your own gaming design in no time, and a lot more cool features right now of this platform. So all you need to do right now is to sign up to the platform. You can gain access for a free account. You can actually coming onto this section, click on design, hover around the apparels and prints, and select the design or the t-shirt design. Once you select that, it's going to bring you right here to this page. As you can see, these are all t-shirt design templates available on this platform, and you can just simply keep on scrolling through and just simply go to selecting a template suitable to you. Now, the cool thing about platforms like this is that they actually help you done a lot of work right here by giving you some cool and amazing templates that you can just simply edit right now. If I do go on to selecting a new page, as you can see, this is how the new page actually looks like right here, of which you can see much more cool designs. Supposing I want to utilize this design right now, I'm just going to go on to selecting this. If I do go on to selecting the design, the page is going to load up, and you're going to find out that virtually everything on this particular page is actually editable right now. So you just need to go on to trying them out. So take a look at these guys. This is a very cool and amazing text that you could just simply edit. As you can see, this particular stuff right here can actually be removed right now. This text can actually be changed. If I do select that, I can just simply go on to changing the text right here. As you can see, is on Elma. I can actually change that to OJ Marketing. Maybe I'm just going to go on to utilizing caps lock and just simply insert that OJ Marketing. And you can see, guys, that is actually being inserted right here. You just need to wait a little bit or be a little patient, and that will actually be added. So this is how this actually looks, and I do hope this is actually nice for you. You can see how cool this actually is right now. So once that has actually been added, you can just simply go to changing the font type. You can see this particular section that says ES. You can just simply go to changing the text right there. You can change also the font type. You can also do the same thing similar for that. Right now, for this particular image right here that you're seeing in this section, you can easily go on to editing the image. To edit that, click on edit right now. And once you click on edit, you'll be able to see a lot of cool and amazing images you could just simply leverage for this task. Now, all you need to do right now is to select a very cool image that can actually go on to doing a very good job for you. Maybe I can just simply select this image right now. If I do select that particular image, as you can see, the page is actually loading up, and in a matter of some seconds, that image will be added on this particular section, and you're going to see how cool that actually is. Now, there is a cool description of that particular image, of which you can just simply go on to editing, also increasing the size, and a lot more cool stuff about that. Now, once that has actually been done right there, you can just simply change the background, click on the background, and you can just simply come right here. Maybe I can just simply change the background right now via this section. If you actually do want to right there, change the background to any color of your choice right now. As you can see, I could just simply come right here and select the background color. If I do select that, I can just simply change that to white right now. And if I do change that to white, you're going to just simply see how cool that actually is. Now, the background has actually been changed to white. You could just simply go to selecting the transparency option, because I do prefer this right now when you actually intend on going on to promoting this right here for, or utilizing that for a print on demand product. Once you've done that, guys, you just need to click on download and download this on your device right now. If you do click on the download option, you can see that you could sign up for a single design purchase, of which you can actually buy only this design for about $3 right now. Now, to get unlimited subscription and access to all the templates, you just need to go onto sign up either with the mockup, design, videos, or logos right now. They're absolutely quite amazing right there. So why not just simply try them out right now, create cool and amazing content, and download that on your device. Now, another way to create some cool stuff right now, instead of using templates, is to come onto the design section, and you can just simply click on this blank canvas on the highlights option. If you do click on blank canvas, you want to click on edit, and you can just simply go into editing your own design from scratch. Now, you don't actually need to edit the image content, the image size or stuff related to that. Firstly, you need to just simply go on to removing the background image right now. If you do remove the background image, you can then just simply add a background color. Maybe that is the color right there which is actually inserted. You can just simply put in text right here. You can click on add text, and maybe I want to add text such as maybe something like make money fast. If I put in something like this, you can see that has been added right there in this section. I can just simply highlight that, go on to changing the font size or the font type right here. There are a lot of cool and amazing font type to utilize. If I change to this, you can actually do see how cool that actually looks. Maybe I'm going to change to the coiny, and this is actually quite better. I'm just going to go on to increasing this to the top and actually increase the sizes right now of this. Now, if I do go on to increasing the size of that particular image right there, this is how this is going to look like right now. So once this is actually done, next thing which you want to just simply get done is to add an image right now. Maybe I can just simply come onto this section, click on add graphics, and you can just simply put in something like counting money. So if I put in something like this, there's not a match for this right now, so I'm just going to put in only money. And if I do select money, you can actually do see that there are a lot of cool designs right now. I'm just going to select this one, as that actually looks quite cool. I'm going to drag that to this bottom section and actually increase the size to this, so that this can actually look quite better. So if I do go into selecting this and increase the size also, this is how this actually goes. So you can just simply see how amazing this actually is right now. So all you need to do is just simply to add in more if you actually want more. If you are actually contented with this, click on the download icon and download this on your device. As you can see, you could download a single purchase or a single design purchase of only about $3 right now. Or you want to just simply sign up for the sum of $10 per month to go unlimited right here, and that's also quite amazing right now. So once you actually do delete this or download this on your device, you can then just simply head on to platforms or your print on demand platform. In this case, I'm going to be utilizing Teespring. Log into your account and go on to selecting a design you want to promote right there, and just simply click on the add image option. And if you do click on add image option, you can just simply go onto your device, add that particular image, and utilize that for your print on demand business model right there. So that's absolutely quite cool. You can just simply keep on creating cool and amazing content every single day with your already made mockups that you do have from this particular platform right now. And I do hope this was actually of great help to you right now. And if the video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button to the video. Don't also forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell on all. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.